Hi, I am documenting my hormone and skin journey. I need to remember to look over there. I'm not used to having my phone on like a landscape. So welcome to my hormone series. Day 1, I have not taken the pill. I had 2 days left, those two there. I had 2 days left and I just decided, why am I even waiting? Why am I even having 2 days? Like, just get off it now. So I've stopped. Usually what happens is my skin gets really bad and I can never sort of get control of it. And the times that I have gotten control of it, lol, that's my life in a nutshell. And so, yeah, the times that I have been trying to get control of it, I just end up going back on it because it's just easier. But I'm done with it. It keeps giving me really bad side effects and I just want my body to be normal. I want to have a normal period. I want to not have maybe holding on to excess fluid and fat that I just can't seem to shake quick enough. Like, it just seems like, oh, a bit dirty there, that I just can't seem to shake. So here we go. Welcome to week 1 of not on the pill.
Good morning. So it's the next day, it's Saturday morning. I'm at the gym. I'm gonna go do a nice upper body workout, maybe a little bit of cardio, just to get the blood pumping and the steps in for the morning. And then I'm gonna go pick up a package from the post office from a very cool special brand to create some content for them. I'm so excited. Skin is like a little bit, it's okay. There's like a little, there's a little breakout going on. I'm basically expecting my period, my fake period, any day now. So either today or tomorrow. And then sort of as of that, it'll be whatever happens. Like, it'll be from the start, I guess, from the start fresh. So anyway, so I'm going to keep up my physical activity. Then I'm going to go make some, get some food as well. Some groceries. So yeah, let's go. So I just picked up my package, Muscle Republic. It is very heavy. It's a lot heavier than the last package I received. So I'm really intrigued to see what they've sent me this time to create some content. But I'm pretty excited. Like, this is really exciting. So I'm gonna open it now, but I don't think I can actually share. Actually, yes, I can share it because by the time I upload this video, it will already be announced. So it's the new collection, I know that, but I'm not allowed to say anything. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna open it.
So I'm putting away the groceries and I bought toilet paper because last time I checked, we didn't have any. And Dean bought some. And now we have bulk. So that's great. Anyway, oh well, won't need to shop for it for a while. Hey Nanny, you. Just gonna make a quick protein shake. This one is mint chalk. 2 scoops, I think. In the 2 scoops. Oh. Done. And I put mostly mostly water, and then just top up like maybe this much of milk in there. But mostly it's water in there. It's a martini. So good. I just opened everything in the box. I literally have the entire collection. They have sent me the entire collection. Like, I'm gonna show you because by the time this goes up, it'll already be announced anyway, so it's fine. But oh my goodness, like I received the whole entire collection, which I was so not expecting, because last time they sent me something, it was just like a one whole outfit, like a set, so that I could make some content with it, which like even then I was like, wow, oh my goodness. And now I've received the entire collection. Oh my God. Like there's so much here. I'm gonna have to put my active wear somewhere else in my bedroom. Like it's going to have a new spot, because this is all not going to fit in the drawers that I have. I'm gonna need new drawers. So let's do a little unboxing together, because this is really exciting. We're all just laying around here at the moment. I've got washing on. I need to clean that kitchen. It's like actually like so messy in that kitchen. I need to clean it up, but we're all kind of just lazing around. Okay. I'm trying to find the best place to show off these clothes. So you're like at the windowsill right now, and it's like beautiful and bright and sunny. So I'm gonna go grab the clothes. Oh yeah, you can see me perfectly. Okay, I'm still so pumped about all this. So, first thing I got is like a cropped jumper. Like it's like cropped, and it's got a hoodie as well. Super cute. So, the new collection is called Futura. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's like Futura. I think it is Futura. So the first set I got was this blue. Look how amazing this blue looks. And it crosses at the back. So nice. This is gonna look so nice on. Oh, I love this color. And then so with that, there's a pair of light blue biker shorts. I'm obsessed with their biker shorts. Their biker shorts are really, really comfortable, and they actually stay up. And they also have a little like pocket on the side, so you can put your keys or your phone in there when you're walking in between, like at the gym. And then to go with that set, I also got the tights. I think these are 7/8, sorry, not 3/8, 7/8. 7/8, which I really love because I'm quite short. So, and my legs are quite short. Like I have a long torso, but short legs. So I can't wear really, really long tights. I need to remember to keep looking over there, not at me. I need to look over there. Anyway, the second set, another kind of blue one, but it's blue and black. So it's got this cute little zipper at the front. It's kind of like a wetsuit kind of vibe, which I really like. And then that's the back. This would be like good for high impact, I guess. To go with that, another pair of tights. Black and blue. I think these are 7/8 as well. Yep, 7/8, thank goodness. And then the last set I got is this color, or this like pattern. It's like it's camo kind of, yeah, it's camo, it's blue camo. I love it. It's just this kind of bra is better for like low impact, or just walking, or yoga, Pilates, that sort of thing. And so with that, I got the bikers, which I love, and it's got the pocket on the side for your phone or keys, and the tights to go with. 7/8. 7/8. Thank goodness, because my legs are short. Yeah, that's everything. I need to wash my hair. So I just came back from the gym. It's Thursday morning. My period is kind of non-existent. Like it's just, I think the last time I updated was Saturday or Sunday, and I had only just gotten it on Sunday. And it's just been like spotting, really. Like it hasn't really been a proper period.
but today is 1 week since I've been off the pill. So I'm intrigued to see what happens now moving forward from today onwards, and see if I like just keep having a period or get a bit of a proper period, because right now it's like literally nothing. Oh, I need to wash my hair. It's like, you know, when it gets like itchy, ew. Yeah, it's just kind of non-existent, spotting, brown, not like proper period. So yeah, I'm intrigued. I will keep you guys updated, but my skin is actually really good. Like, no breakouts whatsoever, and my skin actually looks really nice and glowy and healthy and bright. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, I'll update you soon.
Hi guys, so it's just been over a week now. It's now Friday. No more period's gone. So I guess as of now it is truly going to be, we're truly going to see what's going to happen from now on, if I get my period again or if I just don't get it for the next 3 or 4 weeks or so. I don't know what's going to happen, but I just put together a baby shower gift for tomorrow for my bestie gal, and I swear this is what I do all the time. Like, this is like my signature thing, is to put like this at the top. I love doing that. Like, I just think it makes it look so cute. Like, oh, like look at that, isn't that adorable? And so I just get these and I just shove them in, and I just stick them between the presents so like no one can actually peek in and see what's in there. And it just kind of gives it like a cute little effect. Anyway, my skin, let's go into the light. My skin is looking pretty good. I've got a little pimple over here. But everything seems to be good. Like, I have been super tired this week, and I don't know if it's because I'm off the pill or because like I had like basically a bleed. I don't really know, but I've just been super flat and super tired this week. But I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm in my activewear already. And yeah, I think I'll finish this vlog thing here, because I've sort of documented my first week. So now I'm just going to keep documenting every week, I think, and just keep seeing how the skin's going. I do have a little bit of a mark here, but I think it's just red from scratching it. Anyway, I'm gonna finish off this vlog here. I will see you next time, and I hope this was somewhat informative or like fun to watch for someone. If not, it's like basically something for me just to sort of look back on and keep track of, and sort of document along the way and just see how things happen from now on. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.